Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Magiclight AI and Leonardo AI. Magiclight AI is an advanced video creation tool that lets you turn your ideas or text into long videos. It supports up to 30 minutes videos, which makes it great for creators who make story-based or YouTube-style content. You can upload photos to create characters, and the app keeps those characters consistent throughout your video. It also includes voiceovers, lip sync, subtitles, and smooth transitions, so you don't need to edit everything manually. Magiclight AI offers different video styles like animation or realistic scenes, and it's beginner-friendly since most things are automated. However, its quality sometimes depends on the prompt, and you need a paid plan to unlock full-length videos. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, is known more for image generation and design, but now also offers video creation tools. It lets you turn text or images into short motion clips using its motion feature. Leonardo AI focuses on artistic quality with strong visuals, styles, and creative effects. It's great for making short, detailed, and visually impressive videos or animations. However, it's not built for long storytelling videos, and the video generation features can be costly if you use them often. Overall, Magiclight AI is better for users who want to make full videos with voice, story, and character consistency. Leonardo AI is best for creative artists who want to make short, high-quality motion videos or animations with strong visuals. If you want storytelling and longer video creation, go with Magiclight. If you want detailed and artistic visuals, Leonardo AI is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.